Okay. So now you got this. So this is how you can do the merge using the command line. So if there is any conflict, again, if you worked on trunk and branch, if there is any conflict, again, you have to resolve through the graphical way only. Okay. So that you can see the, normally, this merge, everything will be done from the development side. They will see this, okay. But for your, like, as an admin, we should be aware of all these commands. Okay. Clear? What are the basics commands we have used? Anyhow, in Git, we are going to do more command line only. Okay. Just now I have started with the command line. So if I directly go to this command line, then okay, you may not understand all this. So that is why I covered with some of the things in most of the things in graphical, and then we try to do it in a command line. So now we are able to understand how this works. Okay. In Git, everything we are going to do it with the command line only. Okay. Fine. So this is about the SVN command line. The minimum things you should remember. To create a repository, what is the command? SVN admin create repo. Okay. So now see, you have this repository. Okay. How many files you have added? Everything is present in trunk. Okay. Fine. Now there was some issue happened. Okay. So due to some disaster, okay, your system is crashed and you don't have a backup. Okay. And the entire thing will go off, right? Or else, suppose I got a new system. Okay. I want to take the backup of this and then there I have to restore it. Okay. So in that scenario, how can I do the backup and restore process? Okay. Yeah. So due to some reasons, okay, if your system is corrupted, then you have to get back this from the backup. If you have a proper backup, then you can restore it. Right. So then what is the command to take the backup of your repository? What is the command to take the backup of your repository? And then whenever there is a disaster happens, I have to restore this. Okay. So we have already created one empty repository. Okay. If you see in a repo browser, you can't see anything in that. Right? So you go to the empty repository and see. Okay. In this empty repo, go back. Just go back, right click on the CMD and then see how to see the files, directories, all this thing using repo browser. Okay. Right click on this, Tata SSVN, just check repo browser. See, this is empty, nothing is there. Now go to the C colon repository, there you just check. Close this, close it. So now just I want to double check. This folder, whichever I have created a repository using command line, it is empty. Okay. Now, whichever I created another repository using Visual SVN, there are so many things present in this trunk, branches, all this. Let's say okay. Wait. Okay. Now you're able to see everything here. Okay, files. Go to trunk, you can see the files in the trunk. There only. Click on trunk. Click on trunk. So you're able to see all this. But in the repository which I have created through command line, it is an empty repository. So now what I'll do is I'll take the backup from this repository Okay, and then I will restore it over there in the empty repository. Okay, so now what is the command to take the backup? Close this. Okay, just note on that path. What is that repository path? C colon, go to repository, demo, click on the demo also. Copy this path. Okay. Okay, now go to command line. Okay, just come out of this folder, everything. Just you will be in SVN practice. ಅದು SVN ರೀ SVM ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Okay. Come out of this entire thing. Come out of this. Just say CD D colon. Just say CD D colon. Colon. The colon and the double dot. Just say D colon. Enter. Okay. Leave this. Close this. Go to another CMD. Just come out of this. CD double dot. One more time CD double dot. See, now we are in data. Okay. Just I'm going to take a backup of your repository. So just say to take the backup of your repository, svn admin is the command. To create a repository also svn admin. To take the backup also svn admin because it's an admin activity. Okay. So before this, actually now till now whatever you have done is a svn command. That is a user activity. This is an admin activity. That is why we have to give svn admin command. svn admin space. No. So svn admin is a single command. Space dump. Dump is a command to take the backup. Space. Okay. Already you have copied that repository path. Just paste it. Right click and paste. Okay. So now where to take the backup? Just give greater than symbol. Okay. What is the backup name you want to give? Okay. Just say svn backup. svn backup. Don't give space. Okay. Give hyphen or underscore or anything. Enter. See, now it is taken a backup. And then go and check in D drive. This file will be there. Okay, open that file and see what is there inside this. You'll be having some information. See, so the backup of a file, it is just a file, okay? So you will be having information. That's it. You can't see any files or any directories in this. Okay. So backup is nothing but just a file. Imagine that you have a in a repository. See, so many files you have added, 4, 5 files you have added. Okay. But you are not able to see that file here, but you have something data here in a backup. So now if you want to get that, whatever it is present in this file, So if you want to check that, okay, you have to restore this file. Then only you'll come to know what is there in this backup. See, you may be having a data of 2 GB or 10 GB, 100 GB, but when you take a backup, it becomes a simple file like this. See, go and check the file size. 16 KB. Okay. If you go and check in repository, not here, in trunk branch, all these things. If you check, you'll have so many files, right? Hmm. Something 1 KB, 1 KB, 1 KB. Okay, like this, you'll be having a different file. But when you take a backup, it will be of a different type. Okay. So now, imagine that your system is entirely crashed. Okay. And there is nothing at all anymore. Okay. But this backup, whatever you have taken, this file will be available in some other system. Okay. Next, you will go to the backup operator and you will ask, can you give me the backup of this SVN? Okay. Fazil, just mute yourself. I'm getting some noise. Okay. So now see here, you have a backup. You have a backup file. So now this entire system is crashed and you got this backup file from the backup operator. So now, how can I restore this? See, now whenever you want to create, so everything will be fresh, right? So you don't have anything. Just you'll install the SPN and then you'll create a empty repository. Inside that empty repository, I have to keep this backup file and then I can run some command to restore it. Okay. So now imagine that your entire system is corrupted, okay, crashed, and you got this backup file from the backup operator. Okay. So now what you'll do, you'll take a new system and you'll install the SVN and then you'll try to create a empty repository. That already I have done. Empty repository I have created through the command line, right? So now inside that empty repository, I'm going to keep this backup file and then I can restore it. Okay. So let us see how to restore this. Okay. Copy this backup file. Go to the empty repository which you have created. Okay, where are you now? Okay. This is the empty repository and then just paste here that file.
Inside this folder.
Any outside, just outside. See now my system is crashed, nothing is there, just I created one empty repository. Okay. Now from the backup, I got this file. Already we have seen that when you go to repo browser in the CMD, you didn't find anything, right? No trunk, no branch, nothing. Before also you can try once again. Just go back to CMD, yeah, just right click and then check repo browser. See, nothing is there. But when you check other repository, you'll find trunk branch, all this thing. Now from the backup, if I restore it, I should get all this trunk, branch, everything which is present in the previous repository. Okay, just close this. Now go inside the CMD. Okay, now say svn admin. Single command svn admin, right? Wait. svn admin load command. Load. Okay. Source and destination we have to give. Okay. So go to that graphical way, find out that where is that CMD repository. Yeah. Go inside this, CMD repository. One more. Copy this part. Leave this part. Okay. Space. And after that, same path. Wait. Lesser than symbol you give. Paste the same path. Okay. Where is that file name? Slash svn backup file name. Where is the file name? Let's go to that. svn underscore backup. Give this. Yeah, enter. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ ವಿ ಎಂ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ತಪ್ಪದು ಎಸ್ ವಿ ಎಂ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಎಸ್ ವಿ ಎನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಓಕೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಅದು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಕೊಡಿ
ಇದು ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಕಾಪಿ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು
ಅದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಾನೆ ಎಸ್ ವಿ ಎನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಿ ಸಾಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಎಸ್ ವಿ ಎನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅದೇನಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಲ್ಲ ರೀ ಕೊಡಿ ಎಂಟರ್ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ Okay, so it is reloading. Okay, now go to the repo browser with that empty repository and check. You can find all these trunk branches, everything. Okay, able to see. Click on trunk, we are able to see all this. Okay, so like this, you can take the backup and restore in case of any disaster happens. Okay. So this backup should be kept in a different server. Okay, you should not keep it in the same machine. If the machine crashes, then backup file also goes, right? So whenever you take a backup, keep that file in a different machine, different server. So if this server goes down, then you can create a new empty repository and then just use a svnadmin load command. That's it. Okay, clear? Okay, that's all about the SVN. Okay, we have done graphical line as well as command line. So in the next class, we will be covering another tool called Git. Okay, that is easy compared to this. But only thing, there we are going to do everything in a command line. Okay, fine. Any questions? Anybody, any questions? Okay, that's all about SVN. So this completes the entire topic of SVN. Just you need to practice graphical line as well as command line. Okay, fine. So what is the next thing? We'll do it. We are going to cover the next topic, next tool like Git. Okay, that will be in the next class. So anybody, any questions, you can ask me now. Okay. Yesterday someone has given a call, right? Okay. ಯಾರು ಏನೋ SPN merge ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಇದು ಯಾರು?
Kalavati.
Okay. Now you can share the screen and show me what is the problem.
Kalavati, sir.
Resolve ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Yes.
ನಾನು
No,
ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ
sir, it is not resolved.
Okay.
ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Can you share the screen? Okay. Share the screen.
Yes, sir, just a minute.
Bhavana, just give the host to Kalavati. Right click on Kalavati, make her host. Okay.
Done, sir.
Kalavati, you can share the screen.
Yes.
Share ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು?
Sir, I'm doing it.
Go to Visual Screen, show me that repository which you created. Okay, go to branch.
Branch I'm not created it.
ಹಾ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್?
Wait.
ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ವಿಜುವಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ Problem
To
ತೋರ್ಸ್ರಿ.
users, sir, I'm not finding conflict options.
ತೋರಿಸಿ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ, ನನಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್, ನಿಮ್ದು ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್. ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ದು ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್. ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ
ನಿಮ್ದು ವಾಯ್ಸ್
ಏನ್
ಬ್ರೇಕ್
ಚೇಂಜಸ್
ಬ್ರೇಕ್
ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ.
ನಿಮ್ದು ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ,
ಹಾ.
ಸರಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫ್ರಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಈಗ?
ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಇವಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಮಾಡಿ.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಗೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್
Yes, sir.
ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹ್ಮ್ ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಯು ಎಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ. ಯು ಎಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಕಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಅದ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಹೇಳುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಕಮಿಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೇವ್ ಓಕೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
ಹಾ, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್
ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟ್, ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ. ಈಗ ಆ ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ರೈಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಡಿಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟ್. ರೈಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್,
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಎಡಿಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟ್.
ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್, ರೈಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಟಾಟಾ SSV ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ತಾನೆ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್.
ಕೊಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟ್. ರೈಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟ್.
ಈ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ, ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ, ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಏನೋ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇದೇನೋ ಟಾಟಾ SSV ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಏನಾದ್ರು ನಿಮ್ದು ಆಂಟಿ ವೈರಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದ್ರು ನಿಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ.
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಸರ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಇರಿ, ಮಿನಿಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟಾಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಎಸ್ ವಿ ಅಂತ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದೇನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಟಾಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಎಸ್ ವಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಐಕಾನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಇದೆ.
ರೈಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ. ಏನೋ ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಏನೋ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಫ್ಲಾಗ್
ಹಾ, ಸರ್.
ರೆಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಫುಲ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಅದ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಏನದು ರೆಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್
One important
ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದು ಏನಂತ.
review your location settings.
ಹೋಗಿ ಏನಂತ ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಂದು ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಏನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾವ್ದದು 10 11 ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಂಡೋ. ಓಕೆ,
Windows 8.
ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ 8 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಓಕೆ. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಬೇರೆ ಟಾಟಾ ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ವಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ತೋರಿಸಿ. ಭಾವನಾ, ನಿಮ್ದು ಟಾಟಾ ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ವಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೇ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜನಾ?
One second, sir. Check.
ಮಿನಿಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಆ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು ವಿಜುವಲ್ ಎಸ್ ಪಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಸ್ ಪಿ ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ವರ್ಷನ್. ಭಾವನಾ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಭಾವನಾ, ಇದು ಅದು ನಿಮ್ದು ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Sir, same ಇದೆ.
ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಹಾ.
ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅದು ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ ರೀ, ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಅನ್ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ,
Okay, sir.
ಅನ್ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ರೀಬೂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕದು. ಬೇರೆ ಇನ್ನೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್.
Okay, sir.
ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಟಾಟಾ ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ವಿ ಎನ್ ಫಾರ್ 8.1 ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಭಾವನಾ, ನಿಮ್ದು ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ?
ಸರ್ ನಂದು 10.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಲಾವತಿ, ಸರ್ಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಟಾಟಾ ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ವಿ ಎನ್
ಹಾ,
ಫಾರ್
sir.
ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ 8.1 ಇದನ್ನ ಅನ್ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ. ಅದನ್ನ
Okay, sir.
ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ,
Okay, sir.
ಮೇ ವರ್ಕ್ಔಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೆ. ಓಕೆ,
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ, ಓಕೆ. ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಎನಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್? ಓಕೆ ದೆನ್.